Shyla, you're looking a little tense there. You need to unwind with this essential oil diffuser blend. To make this recipe, you'll want to grab your monthly recipe box from Simply Earth. Pull out your labels and recipe card. And we are going to use all the oils in this month's box. We are going to use frankincense and orange and tranquility and oregano. Oregano has a very strong herbal smell. It doesn't come off too strongly in this recipe, but I recommend diffusing it and seeing if you like it before you make a master blend of it. And we'll give you instructions on how to do that without the oregano if you would prefer.
All right, and from your big bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab your 5 milliliter bottle so you can make a master blend.
To our diffuser, we're going to add 2 drops of frankincense, 3 drops of orange, 2 drops of tranquility, and 1 drop of oregano. We're going to add those to the diffuser and diffuse in an open room. To make a master blend of this recipe, grab your 5 milliliter bottle from your big bonus box. Add 25 drops of frankincense, 38 drops of orange, 25 drops tranquility, and 12 drops of oregano. To make it without the oregano, use 29 drops of frankincense, 43 drops of orange, and 29 drops of tranquility essential oil blend. Okay, and don't forget to label it. And it's ready to go.
For more recipes just like this, head to simplyearth.com/box and don't forget to hit the subscribe now button.
Thanks for watching.